So now in this method we will find cube roots by a normal traditional method and standard method of factorization. Okay, now so whatever the number we are given here 5832, okay, that number we have to find, we have to write factors like what we do in the LCM method itself, right? See here 5832, since it is even number, because it is ending with 2, it is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So start division, doing division with the 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 is left, 18, 2 9s are 18, again 2 1s are 2, 1 is left, 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remainder 11, 2 5s are 10, again 1 remainder 16, 2 8s are 16. Okay, very good. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder 18, 2 9s are 18. Now 729, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 10 18. Now since 729 is a odd number, it is not divisible by 2. So let us check for 3. What is divisible rule for checking for 3? We should add the digits. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 10 18. So go for 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 remainder 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 2s are 6, so 2 remainder 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. That means right now 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means for finding cube root we have to consider 3 numbers as a set. 3 numbers as a set. Okay, see here 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 3s. That means from these 3 2s our answer will be only 1 2. Earlier we have taken from 2 numbers, we have taken 1 number for square root. For cube root we have to take 1 number from 3 numbers. Okay, I'll tell you why. So 2 into 2 into 2 I can write as 2 cube now. 3 into 3 into 3 I can write as 3 cube, and again one more 3 cube. So overall become 2 into 3 into 3 whole cube. So now cube and 3 cancel. The answer is 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3 are 6, 6 3 are 18. Okay, so that's why I am telling you the shortcut method of writing this thing. From these 3 numbers only take 1 number, from these 3 numbers only take 1 number, from these 3 numbers only take 1 number. Okay, in this way we will find square root, cube root by traditional method. Now we will do one more problem. 17576. Again it is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16, 1 remainder 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 remainder 17, 2 8s are 16, 1 remainder 16, 2 8s are 16. Again 8 is even number, so I will go for 2. I will multiply with 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 19, 2 9s are 18, 1 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 10s are 20, 1 remainder 19, 2 9s are 18. No, sorry, since it is 7 it is not divisible by 2. Okay, so let me erase this thing. We'll go with the flow now. So since I am going very fastly, so I didn't observe this thing. Since it is 7, it is an odd number now, so it is not divisible by 2. Now let us check for 3. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 7 19. 19 is not divisible by 3, so don't go for 3 also. So check for 7. 7 3 is 21, 7 1 are 7, 27 will be remainder. No, it is not also divisible by 7 itself also. Go for 13. Go for 13. 13 1s are 13. The remainder is 8. 13 1s are 13. 21 minus 13 is 8 na. 8 9 89. 13 6 are 78. Remainder is 11. 89 now we are getting 78. Remainder is 11. 11, this 7 will become 117. 13 9s are 117. Again 13 13s are 169. 13 1s are 13. That means I can write this as 2 into 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13. So since it is a cube root, from 3 numbers we have to take 1 number. So from these 3 2's I will take 1 2, and from these 3 13's I will take 1 13. So our final answer will be 13 2's are 26 is the final required answer. Okay. Now we'll do for one more problem. 3 5 9 3 7. Again same method. 3 5 9 3 7. First, since it is ending with 7, it is not at all divisible by 2 because it is an odd number. So go for 3. Check for 3. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 5 24, 24 plus 3 27. Okay. Now write 3 here. 3 1s are 3. Again 3 1s are 3. 2 remainder 29. 3 9s are 27. 2 remainder 23. 3 6s are 8. 3 7s are 21. 23 na 21. 2 remainder 27. 3 9s are 27. Again it is an odd number, so I cannot go for 2. Let me check for 3. 9 plus 7 16. 16 plus 9 25. 26 27. Yes. 3 3s are 9. 2 remainder 29. 3 9s are 27. Again 2 remainder 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Again it is an odd number. Go for 3. Yeah. 3 9 9 3 means it is divisible by 3 itself. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay. 1 3 3 1. It is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Now let us check for 3. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 is not a multiple of 3. So 1 3 3 1 is also not divisible by 3. Let us check for 11. Let us check for 11. 11 1s are 11. 2 remainder 23. 11 2s are 22. 1 remainder. 11 1s are 11. Again 11 11s are 121. 11 1s are 11. That means 3 into 3 into 3. 11 into 11 into 11. That means from these 3 3's we will take 1 3, and from these 3 11's we will take 1 11. The answer is 33. The answer is 33. Okay. In this way we will find out cube roots by our traditional method and factorization method. Okay, right? Thank you.